Now, and shifting our focus to the new CEC appointment. Now, a day before Rajiv Kumar's term was to get over, Ganesh Kumar has taken over as the election commissioner, and the appointment was notified by centre. Remember, Rahul Gandhi also attended the meeting. He gave a dissent note, and the Congress party is questioning why is there such a hurry? Why did the centre not wait for the hearing to take place in the Supreme Court?
Honorable LOP has given a clear-cut dissent note yesterday, which mentioning about the judicial process of which going on in the Supreme Court on this issue. So the LOP's point is that the government has to wait for the decision of that Supreme Court. Earlier there was a constitutional judgment to include Chief Justice of India in the selection committee. For bypassing that thing, government has bulldozed for a legislation removing Chief Justice of India from that committee, selection committee. For the democratic citizens of this country, LOP raised the concern in the selection committee, but which they didn't agree. Within hours, they notified the new CEC, which was totally indicating their interest on this issue.
Rahul Gandhi ji has rightly given a dissenting note on a meeting called by the government for selection of CEC, in which Rahul Gandhi ji attended as a member of the committee as leader of the opposition. He gave a dissenting note that the Supreme Court had given a verdict that CGI would be one of the members, and but the government brought an amendment in the parliament, which was an attack on the judiciary.
So the panel has selected the CEC. Remember, Rahul Gandhi is a part of the panel. He's given his dissent note. What are the objections that are being raised by Rahul Gandhi and the Congress party? Let's try and understand through the graphics. Objection number one, the process should be free from the executive interference. That's what the Congress party and Rahul Gandhi are saying. Let's move on to objection number two. Removing CJI from the panel is a violation of the Supreme Court. Objection number three, exacerbates concern over poll process integrity. So the Congress party is questioning the integrity of the poll process. And objection number four, midnight decision is disrespectful and discourteous. So the Congress party essentially is highlighting that they should have waited for the Supreme Court's hearing to take place before this decision has been taken. They're questioning the manner in which it has happened. And objection number five is composition process being challenged in the Supreme Court. So should have waited for the Supreme Court is what the Congress party is saying. Let's now also take you through, the difference in how the entire process is now being conducted. What used to happen earlier versus what is happening post 2023. So this used to happen earlier. The appointment used to be done by the president, and as far as post 2023 scenario is concerned, a panel merit-based selection happens through the panel. Let's take a look at other pointers that are coming in. Earlier, the recommendation used to happen by the government, and post 2023, there's a panel that consists of the Prime Minister, the Home Minister, and the Leader of Opposition, which is Rahul Gandhi. They recommend the name of the individual who will be taking over as the Election Commission. Earlier, there were no specific guidelines that were given, and post 2023, recommendations are made public. The recommendations who has been recommended by the panel, which consists of the Prime Minister, the Home Minister, and the LOP, is made public. So that is the difference between how the entire process used to take place before 2023 and post 2023. Let's